Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. Next we'll be talking about Gujarat retains on the top slot of logistic performance index. So if we are talking about logistic performance index, in which state topped, it was topped by Gujarat. But what is logistics? Logistic is actually transferring of, just in a simple way if I'm tell you, if if a company developed or manufactured product A and it wants to deliver this product to, say, location Z location, so the amount of money that it will be spending to transport this A product to Z location is, you can say, is logistics. The cost of transportation basically of a product from the manufacturing hub to the customer or to the location where it will be sold or will be used. So Gujarat has retained its position as the top performer among the 21 states in the leads, that is logistic ease across different states of 2021 index, that was followed by Haryana, Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Leads 2021 report is prepared by a team of transport and logistic professionals at the ENY LLP with guidance and inputs from the Department of Logistics, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Now this question can be asked in a tricky way, that Leads 2021 report is prepared by the members of, or you can say ENY first, along with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So mark this. If it is asked what is the ministry related to the Leeds report, it is your Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And which state topped in this index? In the logistic ease index, it was topped by Gujarat. All right, logistic performance index of 2021 was topped by Gujarat. If we talk about this index, Leeds is the third edition of the Leeds report. First was in 2018, second in 2019, and the third one has been prepared in 2021. That includes the methodologies to identify the logistic infrastructure and the services across India. No ranking was released in 2020 due to COVID-19. Leeds 2021 index ranks are presented in three separate categories, namely in the state one. First is of state, as you can see here, let me show you. States, northeastern states and Himalayan union territories, and third is your union territories. So from these the ranks has been prepared. All right, in this another thing you should know, the states and the union territories that are not ranked in the Leeds 2021 are Andaman and Nicobar, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Ladakh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. They were not included in the Leeds survey of 2021. Important point to note. Now let's come to the index. In state wise, the state that topped we just saw is Gujarat. Remember this. Second is Haryana. Now if we talk about the northeastern states, it was topped, or the Himalayan union territories, it was topped by Jammu and Kashmir. Then if we are talking about just union territories, it was topped by Delhi and Chandigarh. Remember, these are important because these are three categories in which it was basically categorized. All right, so if it is asked about state, it was taught by Gujarat. If it is asking about northeastern states and Himalayan union territories, or between them, it was taught by Jammu and Kashmir. And if simply about union territories, it was taught by Delhi. Let's look at the key points. Leeds, which is report by the Department of Commerce, became a guide for the states and union territory to identify their performance and strength and opportunities, and to develop same to improve the logistic performance. That means how can they improve their system and how can they cut the cost and make the transportation easy and cheap. Lead Survey 21 was conducted from May to August in 2021. India is the world's fifth largest economy in terms of nominal GDP and among the fastest growing major economy worldwide. India reported 197.5 billion exports in the first half of the fiscal year 2021 up to September 2021. One more thing, don't get confused that logistic is just transfer of product from one state to another state in India only. No, logistic is basically related to transportation from one place to another. It can be from Gujarat to Karnataka, Maharashtra, or anywhere, or it can be from Gujarat to United Arab Emirates also. All right. So, but basically it was related to India only, that in India which state is providing or which state is doing the best in the terms of the logistic services, and it is your topped by Gujarat in the states category. If we are talking about the union territories, Himalayan union territories, northeastern state, it was topped by Jammu and Kashmir. And if we are talking about just union territories, it was topped by Delhi. All right. Hello friends. Through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो। अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।